Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely superb Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Here we have a Kawasaki Versys-X 300. This is a 2018 bike on a 68 plate with just 7,721 miles, one owner from new and a full service history on mileage. This bike is in excellent condition. It comes in the Kawasaki green. It looks absolutely superb. The bar ends and the lever all good. There's a tiny mark on the end of the mirror, but absolutely very minor, and it certainly doesn't look like the bike's been over at all. All the bodywork there in excellent condition, and no corrosion on the exhaust or the engine. As you can see there's no paint flaking off or anything like that. No damage to the foot peg or the brake lever. Exhaust generally in good condition. A couple of bits where the paint's just got a mark in, but absolutely nothing to concern yourself with. The rear wheel in really good condition there, as is the swing arm. The bike comes with anti-lock brakes, of course. Rear tyre, bags of life left in that one. In fact, that looks like quite a new tyre to me. You've got a rear rack there, and the seat is undamaged, no rips or tears. Petrol tank and all the bodywork there, very good condition, of course. And the indicators unmarked. Mudguard, all good. As you can see, no damage there, and the front wheel is in excellent condition, and again the front tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well as the rest of that mudguard. The front of the bike, that's in great condition as well. There's no stone chips, no marks or scratches in the screen. The left hand side of the bike, again all in fantastic condition really. No marks on the mirror on this side, and the bar end and the lever are unmarked also. All the bodywork there is really clean and tidy. And the exhaust, as you can see, no corrosion anywhere on the bike at all, not a spot of corrosion at all. So the front wheel there, all good as well. The petrol tank, as you can see there, all in excellent condition. Data tag security marking, of course. Great option, this bike, if you are looking for an adventure bike and you've only got an A2 license, because this bike is A2 compliant. As I said, no rips or tears in the seat there, and the petrol tank, no marks, no scratches or anything there. Any kind of mixture of analog and digital for your dashboard. All in all, in excellent condition. So if you are looking for a lightweight A2 compliant adventure machine, look no further than this stunning Kawasaki Versys-X 300. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Kawasaki, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.